Hey everybody, Dan from Feldmann Imports here, and we got another vehicle here for a quick walk-around tour. Got the 2022 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC for sale. Comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. And yeah, we're gonna do a quick little walk around, show you some of the features, and of course, if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we've got heated memory seats, both driver and passenger here. Got nice black leather seats, sunroof, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Love the accent trim here, very nice. Got a push button ignition. And mileage just over 15,000 on this here. We've got our Mercedes touchscreen display here, currently showing navigation. And radio, as well as backup camera. And of course you can control it using the touchscreen as you see me doing here. You've also got controls right here on your steering wheel. Yeah, so we got our seat settings here. You can also adjust the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. All kinds of different colors, whether it's just a single color or one of the multicolor effects. And you can change the brightness, as well as some different effects such as some animation. When you're using that multicolor, it'll actually kind of slowly transition between the different colors, as well as lighting up when exiting. Also got our climate controls here. Below that you've got your dynamic select button, so you'll switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You can quickly access any vehicle settings here. Volume controls, turning on and off the display, and then a fingerprint sensor to use Mercedes Me. So, go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats here next. You can see our ambient lighting here now that we turn that on. Rear seats. Quick peek back up front. And coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. We have a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And once again, that was a quick walk-around tour of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.